Hey guys, how's it going? In the last video, we applied some feed and weed and some iron sulfate to try and get it to green up and start killing off some of those pesky weeds. But in today's video, I'm going to be putting some lovely green stripes into the lawn. Then I'm going to put some seaweed on and some of my emerald green tonic to really give it the wow factor. Let's get started. Alright, that one's pretty good. Anyway, enough of that. So, you see, I went over 4 times with the cylinder mower at the end, just to really bone those stripes in, just to get it all to stand out. And when you've got the sun behind you, boy, looks good, doesn't it? This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. We have the Oregon backpack sprayer. I have a review video on this. I will link to it somewhere up on the screen about now. These are inexpensive and they're all right for domestic jobs. If you're going to be using them 20 jobs a day, you want something a bit more hard wearing, but this is absolutely fine for using once or twice a week on your own lawn. No problems whatsoever. So I've already got about 4 litres of water in there. I already know how many litres of water it takes to spray onto my lawn. I'm putting on some multi-mite seaweed. You can put this on up to twice a week, up to 50 ml per litre. So it's about 200 ml. I'm just going to do a rough guess. It is quite forgiving. And I'm also going to put some of my emerald green lawn tonic on. This can be found on my website, lawnright.co.uk. This is a tonic for greening up and helping out in dry, stress conditions. Also helps out in winter as well. So again, it's quite forgiving. You don't have to be super accurate, but a little bit helps and goes a long way. There's a lot of goodness in there. This mix is all helpful. It's helpful for the grass, and it gives a nicer, greener, healthier, happier, lusher lawn. When you've got your products in, you need to mix. Let's get this sprayed on. Right, what I didn't show you was the progress of what we did last time. It's definitely greened up because of the iron and the fertiliser from a week ago. We've also put weed killer on, didn't we, a week ago? And as you can see, some of the weeds along the edges have actually disappeared. And where we go over, you can see the weeds are really starting to get affected now, and they will die off over the next few weeks. Now where we had the little holes and we put some seed in, they filled in completely well. They were there. I can only just notice them because they're much smaller blades at the moment. The others are bigger and thicker. Everything else is filled in just fine. Our little tubs of grass are doing rather nice. They'll just get a cut with some scissors or garden shears. And the dogweed burn as well is doing absolutely fine. No issues with any of the blades of grass in there. It's all looking good. And it's managed to withstand the weed killer that we put on as well. So all we need to do now is get a bit of water on, give it a good watering in. Don't want to walk on it. It's too good to spoil. Okay. So it's good enough, isn't it? It's good enough. It's nice and green. And that's all we can ask for. A nice green lawn, because this is what puts a smile on your face when you want a lawn you can be proud of. You get a lawn with some nice stripes in, and you're always happy when friends and family come round and they comment on your lawn saying, oh, your lawn looks nice. And all you've done, you've mowed it regular, you've watered it a few times a week, you've put some weed killer on, you put some fertiliser on, and every now and again you put a little bit of something extra on, a bit of seaweed, a bit of emerald green, whatever it is, a little bit extra, a bit of iron. And suddenly you've got something you can be proud about. Now, not every lawn looks like this. Some lawns need a bit more work. Some lawns have ants, bare spots, clay, thatch. Watch the videos on my channel because they're there to help you. And I'm here to help you. So, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Yeah? Subscribe. It's not hard. Press that button, subscribe. If you want to see more like this, press the subscribe button and I'll keep doing stuff like this. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.